Are you looking for bandsaw parts? We understand what it's like to need replacement bandsaw parts and in a hurry. When working with a tight schedule, getting your parts on time is a priority. Like any other piece of precision machinery, your bandsaw must be properly maintained to maximize productivity and minimize downtime. With over 90 years of bandsaw parts and plant maintenance experience, DoALL has a comprehensive solution for all your bandsaw parts needs. We manufacture and distribute parts for metal cutting bandsaws. We are a one-stop shop for DoALL replacement parts. Most part orders ship the same day, so you'll decrease downtime and increase productivity. The DoALL Saw Parts department is constantly reviewing our parts inventory and processes, ensuring we can deliver the best customer experience possible, as well as maintaining a sufficient inventory of parts for repairs. No matter how big or small your order is, we promise to give you the attention and service you deserve. You can count on DoALL to keep your bandsaw cutting at peak performance. Check out our parts store online or contact us today at doallsaws.com. DoALL invented the metal cutting bandsaw, and there's nothing we can't cut.